Alright guys, here's an update. I had ordered a fly ratio 32 to what do you call that, center differential. So here's the difference between a Vorza and what they send you. So basically if you wanted to get this to fit your Vorza center diff, it's not going to work because these are very close by. There isn't that much room. So the only way to mount this is probably make a spool, and which I don't know how to. So I'm gonna remove the what they sent. I'm gonna remove all the oil, and I'm gonna put in a 500K or whatever is left in it, I'm gonna put that so that it pretty much gives a locking effect if possible at max. And I'm gonna clean this and just keep it as a separate. Let me show you the difference between this is the Vorza gear, and this is the one that they sent. So if you can see, the tooth are very pronounced in here and they're not much in here. So the speeds we're going to go, I think this is just gonna go bad in one run. I'm not sure if it is going to last at all. So anyways, I'm gonna try it anyways. And if you guys have any idea what what is needed to make a spool, do you just need the center and you basically use these at the edges, or what else do you need? Let me know. I want to make a spool out of this in future, but for now I'm gonna use, I already have a fly ratio 42 center diff or center spur, and I have that mounts on original the center diff because it's wider, but this one 32 does not. So you need to make a spool out of this if it's gonna work at all. And let's see. I mean, like the difference between these, they don't properly mount. If somehow I can show you, like so you can see they're off. And if you're making a spool for it, I'm not sure if it's gonna fit here or not, or maybe I'll have to drill separate ones here and here, but then how am I gonna close these? So it's a major issue. Yeah, so let's see what happens. For now, that's it, and I'll be back because I've ordered some parts I need for the Vorza, and right now it's not complete because these tires are not really worthy of speed because they balloon, and they balloon by almost this much only on half throttle. So yeah, I'm stuck at a point where I can't really run it because I need an external BEC. Also, I need a cappack for XL2 before I run it, because I've heard people complain that it will burn out. So I'm not taking any chances, so it's gonna be delayed, the first run. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, see you guys on the next update.